Joined by Mr. Mukesh Bhaktani of JC Homes Limited. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, you are a member of MCHI. So, could you tell us when a consumer comes to you, what advantage does he have of buying a home from a MCHI registered member such as you?
Especially when consumers come to us, they can be assured that these properties are ongoing properties. They have received their approvals, like they have IOD/CC, and MCHI guarantees that one financial institution has provided a home loan tie-up on these projects, as well as the approvals in place. So you cannot, and also we have a tag of upcoming projects in place where the IOD/CC or approvals have not been received. So you are sure of what you are buying. You cannot end up putting money into a project which has not taken off or which does not have approvals in place.
And like you as a real estate company, JC, had always believed in keeping things transparent and honest to all the consumers, so that the end consumers know what they are buying.
Yes.
So do you think this organizations like MCHI should actually more builders should join them, as and follow your model of being transparent and letting the customer know what he is buying?
Yes, a lot of builders should join, because when we exhibit here, being part of MCHI, it helps consumers to know that that everything is going to be transparent. Like flats will be sold on carpet areas. There will be no sellable areas mentioned. There will be, as I mentioned, about approvals and home loans. Plus, you get to see 15,000 properties under one roof. Otherwise, when a person would go out hunting on their holidays through brokers, it is a tedious task. So being part of MCHI not only helps us in customers' point of view, but it also helps developers to be part of what is going on in terms of policies, what MCHI is doing for the industry to change in policies, to bring in single window clearances and lot many things which is helpful to them.
So sir, as a developer, how does it feel to be part of such a large property exhibition personally from your side, and what has been the highlight till now in these 2 days?
It feels great to be here, seeing so many people come here, interacting with each of them. You get to know the perspective of the buyers, how the trends are changing. It's not necessary what we are selling is what is selling these days, but every season we see new trend emerging. There was a great demand for luxury homes. Now the demand is moving more towards economical homes. So it's great to be here and understand what is happening in the market. We also get a lot of suppliers coming here. They understand our credibility when they see us here. It's a great experience being here. I think all builders should take part in this.
And you mentioned that it is very interactive. So do you think there should be more exhibitions such as MCHI for you as a developer, where you get to directly interact with your consumers? Do you think it is necessary that there should be more such exhibitions like this?
I feel MCHI is doing enough for the exhibitions. There are 2 exhibitions in a year only for Mumbai, other than the Thane exhibition and the Pune exhibition and other cities also. There are other exhibitors who are exhibiting in during the other times also in the year, but that is only cluttering it. They do not assure the purchasers anything as MCHI does. So MCHI is doing good exhibitions, 2 exhibitions, and that's how it should be.
And when a consumer comes to your installment over here, so what can he expect from JC as a consumer?
As a consumer, people can expect various range of products, starting from 2 BHKs, economical housing, to 4 BHKs, 5 BHKs or duplex apartments, luxury housing. They can expect a separate investor cell where we have dedicated people to help them invest their money wisely. They can expect to see all kinds of approvals here itself in a file, It is absolutely transparent. There is nothing hidden. We have bankers here with us to help them guide on their home loans, and as well as site visits or whatever is concerned when purchasing a home. Even for selling their own properties, we have certain people here helping them with right from start till the end of it.
And one last question, as a developer, as a participant yourself, could you give us a brief overview of how this exhibition has been for you till now?
Till now, it's just the second day, but it has been very good since yesterday was Dussehra. The exhibition, the crowd was very good. Right now, it's just afternoon, and there is a lot of people walking in. There are certain celebrities who are coming in, and these kind of people give us assurance that there is going to be a good, serious crowd who want to buy.